哇！哈，女主，pancakes. My house. It just. Wow.
She might know it's wrong. How could you even suggest such a thing? There's not another way for you. I thought everything is real for you. But it's not because it's clear as day. If we don't destroy OCN, the world will self-destruct in 60 seconds. Not again. I thought we already beat the stupid timers. We do something. Don't tricks will never Exactly. We're all in to save the entire magic world. We are Coven. We are all living beings. What are you saying? To save the magic world from extinction. Are you in this? Please, Belle. Please, stop. This isn't who you are. Why can't I do it? I know the logical choice. I know how many rides are at stake. I read every calculation, every simulation, but none of them told me it would be this hard. I don't know what to do. Each time it's 10, 9, 8, whatever we decide, it has to be done now. The world is too unstable.
She's great. How did anyone go?
Am I nervous? Finish your question.
What?
I'm always on the other side. It's all right.
I can see some of books.
He's not person blind. That's stronger than magic. Yeah. Well, you're already in my head. I think I'm very great at magic. Yeah. But once again, you feel like magic in my heart. She will never believe it. When you put it on, she the magic goes out of doors that exist. This is the secret formula for how to keep fairy for over 10,000 years. This is how they kept the power of the realm of magic. So this is why Millie can. We can explain everything. Oh, Shanna, please, we have to ask you more questions. I have already said to Marge. We must go. We must leave you here. Please, come with us. You know why they call this lake the Cascade Permanent? The life force that flows through it. Oh, the Cascade waterfall remains eternal here. Warlocks and witches who die here will remain around here. I see it.
Ha,
Is he here too? Because he thanks the police. I will never see him. He lies in his house. But at least I have you and carry his legacy home. Your eyes and your hearts are open now. Never shut these down. And I can talk like a hero. I know how this ring to protect my husband. And I know how to keep him.
ha.
The most beautiful things in life.
Time.
At home.
I'm gonna be late for English class.
I can't bear this burden. I'm not strong enough. Without her pain, her sadness. I can't stop imagining her life, her story. What is real as this moment, here and now. I felt it too. If we don't keep going, that feeling will only get worse. You know I would never lie to you. It isn't going to be easy. But it's
Can't wait for English class.
Keep working. Come in. It's an extra Millie. She wants us to meet her at the foraging cabin. We can't waste any time. Everyone, get on your groups. I'm sure this is the best idea.
Hello.
Okay, just remember, don't look down and everything will be fine.
Witches, witches. Oh, it's amazing.
Look at me. You guys, I really
Love you too.
we need pineapple on pizza. She means pepperoni pizza with lots of spicy pepperoni. That was close. Really? Were you? You know I feel. Yeah. What gives? Hazel, step us into the stair. Why? I know you feel scared. Confused. Both of you. It's an understatement. This coven doesn't turn our back on friends in need, even allies in need. Millie, why are you being so cryptic? How can we be of any help if you don't tell us the whole story? Believe me, everything will come to light in due time. Perhaps sooner than much. But for now, I need you to do it, because only Harry can do something I can do. It's time for you to leave the woods. You know this is all that you can do. It's time before I can path. It's time for you to join the academy. Good one, Millie. What's really going on? I thought you always told us it wasn't safe outside for us. And you hate the academy. You told us to stay away from that these our entire lives. Now you want us to go there willingly? Count me out. I'm not going near those warlocks. No, sirree. Not happening, amigos. You know that I would do anything I could to convict you and protect you. Do you remember our lesson on the history of the academy? The spell of protection. It prevents morals from becoming right. Well, I'm fascinated. Oh, shucks. Well, you still have which? That's going to count for something, right? The magic needs these things to be true. They do not allow even one's rock of mortal words to pass through your gates. I hate to say it. And your past to every day. Do you know what keeping away from school all these years? I don't understand. Well, wait a minute. If you're half mortal, then that means you're also half witch. You know magic more ancient than the Greek spell that they teach in the academy. Yes, sir. You're right. The warlocks have banished teaching the magic in the academy. Then who taught it to you? Nobody. She was a great and powerful witch, but she was driven away from the academy when warlocks discovered. I told you too much. And now you want us to go there. Stranger danger. Please, Lily. We need to know what happened to your mother. I can't talk. I should never have told you. It put you all in grave danger. So keep it to no one. The one hate only one thing more than they hate the world. And that's moral allies. All three of you now. It's a race. Tomorrow's your first day of the academy. In the past 10,000 years, in the chart of man and the Marines record is nothing but terror. Over eons of warfare, nature and sons and daughters separated from the families. As long as anyone who belonged to the family, they were forced to retreat before the charred walls of the school. Unseen by mortal eyes, only witches and warlocks were able to enter the catacombs. The power of the spell that continued carved upon the walls 200 years ago, by the most powerful witch that ever lived. Her sacrifice.